Which planet is known as the red planet? What is the largest planet in the solar system? Which celestial body is often referred to as Earth's twin? The largest moon of Jupiter is named what? What is the name of the spacecraft that first landed humans on the moon? Which planet has the most extensive ring system? Which planet is closest to the Sun in our solar system? What is the largest volcano in the solar system, located on Mars? Which planet is known for its stunning rings? What is the name of the dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt? What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Which moon of Saturn is known to have an atmosphere and liquid oceans? Which planet is often referred to as the evening star or morning star? The Great Red Spot is a famous feature on which planet? What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Which moon of Neptune has geysers that spew icy particles into space? What is the hottest planet in our solar system? Which planet has a prominent system of beautiful and colorful rings? The Kuiper Belt is a region of the solar system primarily composed of what? spacecraft was the first to fly by Pluto in 2015? What is the farthest known dwarf planet from the Sun? What is the largest asteroid in the asteroid belt? Which planet is often called the ice giant in the solar system? The Oort cloud is a theoretical region of the solar system primarily composed of what? What was the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space by the Soviet Union in 1957? Which spacecraft successfully landed on the surface of a comet in 2014? Which moon of Mars is of particular interest for potential signs of past life? What is the name of the spacecraft that has been studying Jupiter and its moons since 2016? Which planet is often referred to as the blue planet? What is the name of the first American astronaut to orbit the Earth? Which planet is famous for its beautiful and complex system of rings? Which moon of Saturn is known for its intriguing water ice geysers? What is the second largest planet in the solar system? What is the largest moon of Mars, often considered a potential location for human colonization? The Hubble Space Telescope was launched into space by which space agency? Which planet has a famous storm system known as the Great Dark Spot? What is the closest star to our solar system? Which moon of Saturn is known for its resemblance to the Death Star from Star Wars? successfully landed the Curiosity rover on Mars in 2012? What is the name of the spacecraft that has been studying the Sun since 2018? Which moon of Saturn is known for its reddish color and is believed to be captured from the Kuiper Belt? What is the name of the mission that successfully landed the Spirit and Opportunity rovers on Mars in 2004? What is the name of the spacecraft that studied the dwarf planet Pluto up close in 2015? Which moon of Jupiter is known for its intense radiation belts and magnetic field? Which planet in our solar system has the longest day, lasting more than 243 Earth days? What is the name of the spacecraft that first orbited the asteroid Ceres in 2015? Which moon of Uranus is known for its tilted and erratic rotation? What is the name of the space telescope that launched in 1990 and has provided stunning images of the universe? Which planet is often called the morning star or evening star due to its visibility at dawn and dusk?